初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to join the gym.
I want to join the gym.
我想加入健身房。
I want to join the gym.
I want to join the gym.
Do you have a monthly plan?
Do you have a monthly plan?
你们有月卡计划吗？
Do you have a monthly plan?
Do you have a monthly plan?
What time does the gym open?
What time does the gym open?
健身房几点开门？
What time does the gym open?
What time does the gym open?
Where is the locker room?
Where is the locker room?
更衣室在哪里？
Where is the locker room?
Where is the locker room?
Can I use this treadmill?
Can I use this treadmill?
我能用这台跑步机吗？
Can I use this treadmill?
Can I use this treadmill?
How do I use this machine?
How do I use this machine?
这台机器怎么用？
How do I use this machine?
How do I use this machine?
Please show me some exercises.
Please show me some exercises.
请给我示范一些锻炼动作。
Please show me some exercises.
Please show me some exercises.
Can I book a trainer?
Can I book a trainer?
我能预约教练吗？
Can I book a trainer?
Can I book a trainer?
How many sets should I do?
How many sets should I do?
我应该做多少组？
How many sets should I do?
How many sets should I do?
I need to stretch first.
I need to stretch first.
我需要先拉伸。
I need to stretch first.
I need to stretch first.
I want to eat more vegetables.
I want to eat more vegetables.
我想多吃蔬菜。
I want to eat more vegetables.
I want to eat more vegetables.
How many calories are in this?
How many calories are in this?
这个有多少卡路里？
How many calories are in this?
How many calories are in this?
Can I get a diet plan?
Can I get a diet plan?
能给我一份饮食计划吗？
Can I get a diet plan?
Can I get a diet plan?
Please give me less sugar.
Please give me less sugar.
请少放糖。
Please give me less sugar.
Please give me less sugar.
I drink water before meals.
I drink water before meals.
我饭前喝水。
I drink water before meals.
I drink water before meals.
Do you sell protein shakes?
Do you sell protein shakes?
你们卖蛋白粉奶昔吗？
Do you sell protein shakes?
Do you sell protein shakes?
I need a healthy breakfast.
I need a healthy breakfast.
我需要一份健康早餐。
I need a healthy breakfast.
I need a healthy breakfast.
Can I eat this every day?
Can I eat this every day?
这个能每天吃吗？
Can I eat this every day?
Can I eat this every day?
Is coffee good for health?
Is coffee good for health?
咖啡对健康好吗？
Is coffee good for health?
Is coffee good for health?
I want to lose weight.
I want to lose weight.
我想减肥。
I want to lose weight.
I want to lose weight.
I go jogging every morning.
I go jogging every morning.
我每天早上慢跑。
I go jogging every morning.
I go jogging every morning.
How often should I exercise?
How often should I exercise?
我应该多久锻炼一次？
How often should I exercise?
How often should I exercise?
Please remind me to drink water.
Please remind me to drink water.
请提醒我喝水。
Please remind me to drink water.
Please remind me to drink water.
I want to build muscle.
I want to build muscle.
我想增肌。
I want to build muscle.
I want to build muscle.
Can we play basketball today?
Can we play basketball today?
今天能打篮球吗？
Can we play basketball today?
Can we play basketball today?
I enjoy swimming in summer.
I enjoy swimming in summer.
我喜欢夏天游泳。
I enjoy swimming in summer.
I enjoy swimming in summer.
Walking is good for health.
Walking is good for health.
走路对健康有益。
Walking is good for health.
Walking is good for health.
I can't lift heavy weights.
I can't lift heavy weights.
我举不动重物。
I can't lift heavy weights.
I can't lift heavy weights.
Do you do yoga often?
Do you do yoga often?
你经常练瑜伽吗？
Do you do yoga often?
Do you do yoga often?
Let's work out together.
Let's work out together.
我们一起锻炼吧。
Let's work out together.
Let's work out together.
How can I improve my stamina?
How can I improve my stamina?
怎么提高耐力？
How can I improve my stamina?
How can I improve my stamina?
Is this exercise safe for beginners?
Is this exercise safe for beginners?
这个动作适合新手吗？
Is this exercise safe for beginners?
Is this exercise safe for beginners?
Can I train every day?
Can I train every day?
我能每天训练吗？
Can I train every day?
Can I train every day?
How long should I rest?
How long should I rest?
我该休息多久？
How long should I rest?
How long should I rest?
Should I warm up first?
Should I warm up first?
需要先热身吗？
Should I warm up first?
Should I warm up first?
Can you check my posture?
Can you check my posture?
能帮我看看姿势吗？
Can you check my posture?
Can you check my posture?
What is the best cardio exercise?
What is the best cardio exercise?
最好的有氧运动是什么？
What is the best cardio exercise?
What is the best cardio exercise?
Is weight training good for me?
Is weight training good for me?
重量训练适合我吗？
Is weight training good for me?
Is weight training good for me?
How do I avoid injuries?
How do I avoid injuries?
怎么避免受伤？
How do I avoid injuries?
How do I avoid injuries?
Thank you for your advice.
Thank you for your advice.
谢谢你的建议。
Thank you for your advice.
Thank you for your advice.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。